everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make cookie cakes without Maida. So the ingredients we need are 12 tablespoons of Atta, 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of Nutella, you can also use melted chocolate, 6 tablespoons of milk, 1 pinch of baking powder, 1 pinch of baking soda and 1 pinch of salt. You are also going to need 3 tablespoons of honey, but if you want you can also use any chocolate syrup. Now let's start mixing all the ingredients. Our mixture is now well incorporated. If you touch it, it's not supposed to stick. Next, we will place these on our microwave safe bowl in the shape of a cookie. I have now prepared one batch. I will put this in the microwave for 1 minute. One minute is over and I'm going to take it out of the microwave. After letting it cool down for some time, I'm going to transfer it to our serving plate. This is how the texture should be. It should be more like a cake than a cookie because it's a cookie cake. Let's taste it. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make, what was I making? Oh yeah, can we restart?